Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어.
So I did a architecture boat tour at 10 a.m. today, and then I pretty much chilled here, watched Bling Empire season 2, and now I have some time to kill before dinner, so I'm about to go get my toes and my nails done. The weather today is amazing. The architecture is beautiful. The city is gorgeous.
Hello, welcome to a day with Michelle and Kate.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Kate, and today we'll be filming just a day while I visit Michelle in New York.
Wow, you're such a natural.
Oh, thank you.
I wish we had our original footage of us doing this
on a photo booth. So I'm visiting from DC. Today is our last day, and I thought it would be fun to just film a little bit for memory's sake.
I might actually use this on my own vlog.
No! Gonna hide.
How tall are you, Kate?
I'm 5'1", 3/4. Don't get it twisted.
We're here. Thank you. Oh, so yummy. So we're at the park. Show your face. What? Reapplying my lips. Tell us what it is. It's Glossier Ultra Lip in Portrait.
Is it moisturizing?
Wow, what kind of mansion? First night in New York. Are you tippy-toeing? Yes. Just wanted to show everyone the gift that Coco brought me. She's the sweetest. She's the best. Thanks. I knew you brought a Chanel bag for me. Dobby, sit. Good boy. Break. Good boy. Picked up some coffee and pastries for Coco. Breakfast. She'll got me a toothbrush. Okay, what should we do today? I gotta write this down. Oh my gosh, your day. Oh. How would you write it down? Are you more go with the flow?
Yeah.
완전. This is not go with the flow. We start off with lunch. Get raku, and then we hang out at Soho, go shopping.
Okay.
And then what should we eat for dinner?
Oh no. What do you recommend?
Did you not like think of anything?
No, nothing.
for dinner. It's a Friday night. Oh, maybe we can get like nami nori. Did you want to enjoy prugum? Is that something?
Prugum? Let's go out again.
You want to go out again?
그러게. We're done scheduling?
You needed to write that down. I'm gonna think about this. Hi! We're in Soho. We finally made it to Soho. We are about to go to Raku, which honestly we might not even be able to get seated on time because we have to be somewhere else. Busy schedule today. Fingers crossed. I really want some udon right now because I'm a little hungover. The noodles are very chewy. They're like handmade. Can I go to 30th and 11th? Finished our food in 15 minutes and now we made it to the gallery. We're here at the shed. We are at Freeze. This place is really cool. Very Living Alone Diaries-esque.
간질간질해 Wipe leg 온몸을 감싸는 feeling. So you like kick back and yeah.
First impression. Well, I thought she looked like a pink Sunda. I thought she was really pretty. Oh, you were so pretty. Yeah. She was wearing, I still remember what you were wearing. The little floral dress. Yeah. And you were wearing your little aviator glasses. I don't know. Oh, you look so cute right now. I know. You're like very green. We're here at Central Park. I've got like a layer of sweat glaze all over my face and body. This is such a vibe. What about me? Run! Run with the wind! Wait, this is not a twist off, right?
Oh no, here. Yeah. You want to open or?
Yeah, I want to open it.
Oh, you want to? Okay. For this one, you have to like screw it in, right? And after you put it in
Oh, yeah, I know
here,
that
then you know, right? Yeah. Screw it in.
doing it right?
All right, you learn from this one and use this one for the real one.
Okay.
No, I got this. You guys have some faith.
Say, summertime.
Ah, you're right. You're
I
right.
like it. It's all about me.
Nice.
Camera action.
Nice shot. Ooh.
Oh, I wanted to do that.
Yeah. Yo, put it back in. Stuff it back in right now, bro.
Pop it out, just like as if you did it right now. Is that what happened?
Thank you. Look at his face. Behind the scenes. Wow.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
We did a pretty good job for 30 minutes. Yeah, so we just got back from Central Park, rushed to get ready, and now we are headed out to dinner. And I have, we have like our pile of our sweaty clothes in the corner.
Clothes.
We are going to dinner at Addo Boy, and I'm really excited. We are here at the Guggenheim Museum. It's my first time here actually. It's so pretty. She's leaving.
Oh, 뭐야?
See you in Korea. What's the matter, Dobby? Huh? Are you upset? What's the matter? You want a bite of the burger, don't you? I'm sorry. Ow.